Welcome to room 2508 in the Fuego building section of Hotel Xcaret, Mexico. The hotel opened in December of 2017. So it's now the end of February, so it's just a couple months old. You don't need actually a room key. Your room key is this thing that looks like a wristwatch. You scan it here, and when it turns green, it's ready to go. You have a doorbell and a do not disturb sign, which can be operated by here. If you don't want to be disturbed, you push that button. Operate the lights there. First thing you have is a semi-open concept in the bathroom. As you step into the bathroom here, you have a long sink. Kind of unusual. Soap goes right there. It's got a makeup mirror included. Some amenities here, and has your hair dryer in here. And if you've forgotten anything, they have some amenities here. They have sewing kit, shoe cloth, vanity kit, comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving kit. Lots of stuff here. So just in case you forgot something. Jacuzzi tub. In case you want more privacy in the bathroom area, you can close the sliding glass door. Just like that. Or if you just want it open, you just slide it open. And it's got a shower with your hand-painted tiles. Shower lights right there. Got a phone that's in between the toilet area and the shower area, which is kind of cool. This has a double shower head, rainforest and a handheld, and towels right there. It's a fairly large shower and little place to sit. Here's the toilet area. More hand-painted towels. And this is a neat feature I've never seen before in a bathroom. If you want privacy in the toilet area, you can have it where no one can see in and you can't see out. But if you want to be able to have a view while you're in the toilet, you push that button and you can actually see out into the room, and people in the room can see into the toilet area. Kleenex, little potted plant, unusual lighting fixture here. There's not much drawer space. There's only 3 drawers, and then the mini bar is right next to it here. So the mini bar has your standard water, orange juice, a Corona Light, Canada Dry Club Soda, 7-Up, and Coca-Cola products in there. I forgot to show you the closet in the bathroom. Digital safe. Here's some open shelving. It has a couple of umbrellas that are included as well. There's no iron and no ironing board, so forget about that. And place for you to put your shoes. 2 robes are included here in the room. Big king bed. Handheld phone. You can operate your lights from right here. Operate room temperature. It's a beautiful Mexican print there. A little sofa. I believe these are actually sofa beds. Have some seating. This right here, you can order room service, contact emergency phone number, tour information, all kinds of information that you can order right from this here. It's got an espresso coffee maker, some cups, and some snacks, some glassware. This is interesting. This is actually a seat for men, so that is different. And a lamp here. This is the balcony. So we have a Fuego, adults only is Fuego, the building. And I have oceanfront. I booked oceanfront. So this is an oceanfront view. That's the swim pool down there. The lagoons. Balconies have a couple of hammocks. One's already set up and the other one is right there, and it can hook onto that right over there. And a little relaxation area. Got lots of pillows. I see some people are paddleboarding down there in the lagoons. That's available, as well as kayaking. This hotel does not have very good beach areas. You can see there's some sargassum. Looks like it's returning to the Riviera Maya. But this place is drop dead gorgeous. I love Fuego Adults Only section. They've been nothing but helpful. And if you want to check out more information about this resort or other all-inclusives in Cancun and the Riviera Maya, you can visit my blog at allinclusivegal.com.